How to use Copilot in Outlook. Copilot in Outlook is a feature that can help you write better emails with the help of artificial intelligence. It can offer you suggestions, tips, and feedback on your email content, tone, clarity, and style. You can use Copilot in Outlook to compose emails faster and easier. Copilot in Outlook can generate email drafts for you based on your prompts or outlines. For example, you can draft an email to my manager about the project status and Copilot will create a draft for you. You can also ask Copilot to add content to your existing emails, such as a summary, a call to action, or a closing remark. Improve your email quality and effectiveness. Copilot in Outlook can offer you coaching tips and suggestions on how to make your emails more clear, concise, and professional. For example, it can suggest ways to rephrase sentences, avoid jargon, or fix grammar errors. It can also help you adjust your tone to suit different situations and audiences, such as formal, casual, friendly, or assertive. Learn new email skills and best practices. Copilot in Outlook can provide you with feedback and insights on your email performance and habits. For example, it can show you how often you use certain words or phrases, how long your emails are, or how well you follow the email etiquette. It can also give you tips and examples on how to write different types of emails, such as requests, apologies, or invitations. To use Copilot in Outlook, you need to have a Microsoft 365 subscription and enable the feature in the Outlook settings. You can access Copilot in Outlook by clicking on the Copilot icon on the ribbon or by typing at Copilot in the email body. You can interact with Copilot in Outlook using natural language commands or prompts. Plan B, select Enable Microsoft 365 Copilot, File Options Mail Compose Messages. Learn more. 1. Introducing the Microsoft 365 Copilot Early Access Program and new. https://www.microsoft.com/n-a/microsoft-365/23/05/09/introducing the Microsoft 365 Copilot